Secrets for a spotless kitchen your mom doesn't even know. Evenly sprinkle baking soda over your stovetop, scrub with half a lemon, and wipe with a damp cloth. Stains will disappear, leaving your stove looking brand new. Never use a toothbrush to clean your fridge gasket. It can cause damage. Instead, mix half a cup of water with 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Spray the gasket, wait 2 minutes, then wipe with a soft cloth. This method removes dirt, whitens, and eliminates mold, keeping your fridge fresh and clean. Burnt pot? No scrubbing needed. Blend a lemon, strain the juice, and mix with 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Apply to the burnt area. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Then wipe with a sponge. To clean pot lids, apply toothpaste inside and out. These spots collect the most grime. Fill a large pan with water, add 2 teaspoons of baking soda, heat slowly, and submerge the lid. After 10 minutes, wipe it clean with a sponge. For a greasy oven rack, place it in a garbage bag and soak it with a special solution. Dissolve a dishwasher tablet in hot water. Add 3 tablespoons of baking soda and let it cool. Pour the solution into the bag, seal it tightly, and leave it for an hour. Rinse the rack, and any remaining grime will wipe away effortlessly. A clever trick for cleaning a dirty induction hob. This method takes just a few minutes and leaves your hob looking like new, no scrubbing required. Stains, streaks, and even burnt-on spots will disappear like magic. You only need 2 products. Evenly sprinkle baking soda over the surface. Baking soda helps remove tough stains as a natural abrasive. Next, grab half a lemon. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which dissolves calcium deposits and white marks while leaving a refreshing citrus scent. Rub the hob surface with the lemon pulp, focusing on white streaks and tough stains in circular motions. The citric acid reacts with the baking soda, creating a gentle foam that helps lift dirt. Finally, wipe the hob clean with a damp cloth. Use this simple method to keep your induction hob looking brand new without spending on expensive cleaning products. Your cutlery will look like new, clean, shiny, and free of stains and streaks. No scrubbing or polishing required. Start by preparing a glass oven-proof dish. Place all your cutlery in the dish. Then, sprinkle them with baking powder. Baking powder has excellent cleaning properties. Now add a bit of vinegar to the cutlery. Vinegar will make them even cleaner. But that's not all. Pour in some rinse aid that you use for your dishwasher. Fill the dish with hot water until all the cutlery is completely submerged in the solution. Wait 15 minutes and let the ingredients do their work. After this time, take out the cutlery and see how amazingly shiny it is. This is a simple way to restore the shine to your favorite forks, knives, and spoons. This trick delivers truly spectacular results. Just dry them off and you're done. Try this method and see how easily you can achieve spotless shine on your cutlery. Apply this to your pots and pans. The results will surprise you. They'll look brand new. Thanks to this trick, my pots are clean and shiny. To prepare this super cleaning solution, you only need 4 ingredients. First, take 5 lemons. Cut each lemon into 2 equal halves. Then cut them again to make quarters. Put the cut lemons into a blender and blend them thoroughly. If you don't have a countertop blender, you can use a hand blender. Strain the lemon juice from the blender into a bowl using a sieve to remove the peels. Take another bowl and divide the juice into 2 parts. In one part, add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix well until there are no lumps. In the other part, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and mix thoroughly. Then, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix again. Now, combine the 2 mixtures by pouring one into the other and mixing them well. Your pot and pan cleaner is now ready. Simply apply it to a burnt pot. Wait a few minutes, and then scrub the pot with a scouring pad. You'll see the results almost immediately. Use this trick, and your pots will look like new. Place a bar of soap in a pan and pour Coca-Cola over it. You'll be amazed by the result. This combination is brilliant. Prepare the pan and then grate an entire bar of soap. It will take a moment, but the results are worth it. Add 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola, enough to cover the soap shavings. Also, add 100 milliliters of water. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly to prevent it from burning. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, mix 100 milliliters of water with a tablespoon of salt. Once everything in the pan has dissolved, add the contents of the bowl. Mix thoroughly. Pour the entire mixture into a container and seal it tightly. Place it in the refrigerator and wait for the soap to solidify. When it's ready, it will change color. Use it to clean burnt pans. See how easily you can get rid of burn marks with this homemade trick. Just take a bit of the soap and wash away the burnt residue. It took me just a moment, and my pan looks like new, without scrubbing or using a scouring pad. This mixture doesn't damage Teflon or delicate surfaces. Pour ET into the dishwasher and turn it on. After the cycle is finished, it will be like new. This is the best way to clean the dishwasher. Before you do that, however, check the condition of the filter. Pull out the bottom rack. Unscrew the filter. Here, all the dirt accumulates. See how much residue is on it. It's grease and food remnants. Place the filter in a bowl of warm water. Pour dishwashing liquid and scrub the entire filter. When you remove most of the dirt, change the water. Soak the filter in water with dish soap and vinegar. This will help remove any remaining dirt. It will also neutralize most of the bacteria that may have settled on the filter. Clean the edge near the dishwasher door. Dirt collects here, which is not removed during the cycle. Wipe this area thoroughly and clean it. Check and scrub the filter again. After rinsing it under running water, screw it back into place. Unscrew the salt container. You will see if dirt has settled on the cap. Remove it and screw it back on. Sprinkle a good amount of baking soda on the bottom of the dishwasher. Let it cover the entire bottom. Place a small bowl of vinegar on the top rack. Turn on the dishwasher for a standard cycle. Baking soda and vinegar will clean and disinfect the interior of the dishwasher. The remaining dirt and unpleasant odor will disappear. The dishwasher will look like new. The dishes will be cleaner and shinier. Your cutlery will look like new, clean, shiny, and stain-free without scrubbing or polishing. Prepare a glass baking dish and place the cutlery inside. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons of salt, followed by baking soda. Baking soda has excellent cleaning properties. Now, pour a little vinegar over the cutlery. The vinegar will make them even cleaner and shinier. But that's not all. Pour hot water over everything until the cutlery is fully submerged in the solution. Wait 15 minutes and let the ingredients work their magic. After that, take out the cutlery and see how amazingly it shines. This simple method restores the sparkle to your favorite forks, knives, and spoons. The results are truly spectacular. Just dry them off, and you're done. Try this method and see how easy it is to achieve spotless, gleaming cutlery.